Most BMWs turn into money pits after 100,000 miles. But these 10 models don't. These are the rare BMWs with reliability that rivals Toyota and Honda. Using real data from Consumer Reports, J.D. Power, and thousands of long-term owners on BimmerPost, these models stand out for their bulletproof engines and near-zero catastrophic failures. And make sure you stay until the end, because the number one BMW on this list is the most reliable model the brand has ever built. Number 10. F105 Series 535i. The F105 series with the N55 single-turbo engine represents BMW's return to reliability after years of problematic models. Built from 2011 to 2016, this generation balanced luxury with a generally solid platform that mechanics respect for its engineering integrity. According to Consumer Reports data and extensive BimmerPost documentation, the N55 engine eliminates the high-pressure fuel pump issues and carbon buildup problems that plagued earlier turbocharged BMW engines. The single-turbo design reduces complexity while maintaining strong performance. The F10 chassis uses proven suspension components and electrical systems that avoid the cascade failures common in earlier BMW generations. Master BMW technicians report that F10 models with the N55 engine regularly exceed 150,000 miles with routine maintenance. The 535i strikes the perfect balance between performance and reliability, offering genuine BMW driving dynamics without the catastrophic repair costs associated with more complex models. Independent BMW specialists consistently recommend this combination for buyers seeking reliable luxury performance. Number 9. E85 Z4 First Generation. The E85 Z4 Roadster represents BMW's focus on driving purity over complex technology, creating a surprisingly robust sports car. Built from 2002 to 2008, this generation uses naturally aspirated engines and simpler electronics that mechanics appreciate for their straightforward maintenance. According to automotive reliability studies and Consumer Reports analysis, the E85 Z4 with the M54 or N52 naturally aspirated inline-six engines avoids the turbo complexity and direct injection problems of later BMW models. These engines are famed for their durability and smooth operation. The Roadster platform eliminates many of the complex systems found in BMW sedans and SUVs, reducing potential failure points. The focus on driving experience over luxury features creates a more reliable ownership proposition. Master BMW technicians report that E85Z 4 models with proper maintenance regularly exceed 200,000 miles with original engines and transmissions. The combination of simplicity and robust engineering makes this an excellent choice for enthusiast ownership. Number 8. G05 X5 4th Generation. The current G05 X5 generation represents BMW's modern reliability renaissance, consistently rated highly by J.D. Power for initial quality and dependability. Built from 2018 to present, this generation combines modern luxury with significantly improved engineering quality. According to J.D. Power reliability studies and Consumer Reports testing, the G05X5 shows dramatic improvement over previous generations in electrical system reliability and build quality. The B58 engine in the X540i model is particularly praised for its robust construction. The 4th generation X5 benefits from lessons learned during BMW's reliability crisis of the 2000s and 2010s. Improved manufacturing processes and quality control result in significantly fewer early failures and warranty claims. Independent BMW specialists report that early G05 models are showing excellent reliability trends, with fewer problems in the first 50,000 miles than any previous X5 generation. The combination of modern features and improved reliability makes this generation highly recommended. Number 7. G23 Series 7th Generation. The latest G23 series generation signals BMW's return to form with strong reliability scores and improved build quality. Built from 2019 to present, this generation addresses many of the problems that plagued earlier 3 Series models while maintaining BMW's driving character. According to Consumer Reports reliability data and J.D. Power studies, the G23 series, with the B48 4-cylinder and B58 6-cylinder engines, shows significant improvement in long-term dependability compared to previous generations. The 7th generation 3 Series benefits from mature technology integration and improved manufacturing processes. The chassis and electrical systems show fewer early failures than the problematic F30 generation that preceded it. Master BMW technicians report that G20 models are requiring fewer warranty repairs and showing better long-term reliability trends. The 330i and 340i models with proven engines represent the best combination of performance and dependability in the current BMW lineup. Number 6. F25 X3 Second Generation. The F25 X3 generation is highly praised for being a practical, comfortable SUV, without the complexity of later, more tech-heavy generations. Built from 2010 to 2017, this generation utilizes solid engines and proven chassis components that mechanics trust. According to Consumer Reports data and automotive reliability studies, the F25 X3 post-facelift models from 2014 to 2017 are particularly reliable, utilizing the proven N55 and later B48/B58 engines that eliminate many earlier BMW turbo problems. The second-generation X3 strikes an excellent balance between capability and complexity, offering genuine BMW driving dynamics without the electronic complications that plague larger BMW SUVs. The platform is well understood by technicians, and parts availability is excellent. Independent BMW specialists consistently recommend the F25 X3 as one of the most reliable BMW SUVs available, with many examples exceeding 150,000 miles with routine maintenance. The combination of practicality and dependability makes this generation highly desirable. Number 5. F48 X1 Second Generation. The F48 X1 represents BMW's entry-level champion, built on a front-wheel drive platform that carries fewer complex and expensive systems than traditional rear-wheel drive BMW models. This simplicity translates directly into improved reliability and lower ownership costs. According to Consumer Reports analysis and BMW reliability data, the F48 X1's front-wheel drive architecture eliminates many of the expensive drivetrain components that cause problems in larger BMW models. The B48 4-cylinder engine is proven and reliable. The X1's smaller size and simpler systems mean fewer things can go wrong, while the proven B48 engine provides adequate performance with excellent fuel economy. The platform shares components with mini models, ensuring good parts availability and service knowledge. Master BMW technicians report that F48 X1 models require significantly fewer repairs than larger BMW SUVs, making them excellent choices for buyers who want BMW luxury without the traditional maintenance costs. The combination of efficiency and reliability is compelling. Number 4. F22 2 Series Coupe First Generation. The F22 2 Series Coupe represents the enthusiast's safe bet, avoiding the complicated features of larger BMW models while providing excellent driving dynamics. Built from 2014 to 2021, this platform focuses on driving purity over luxury complexity. According to automotive reliability studies and Consumer Reports data, the F22 2 Series with the B48 4-cylinder and B58 6-cylinder engines provides excellent reliability while maintaining BMW's legendary driving character. The coupe platform eliminates many potential failure points. The 230i and M240i models are highly regarded for having fewer systems to malfunction while still providing excellent performance. The rear-wheel drive platform maintains BMW's driving dynamics without the complexity of all-wheel drive systems. Independent BMW specialists consistently recommend the F22 2 Series as the most reliable way to experience genuine BMW performance, with many examples exceeding 100,000 miles without major issues. The combination of simplicity and performance is ideal for enthusiasts. Number 3. E93 Series 5th Generation. The E93 series with naturally aspirated engines represents mechanical BMW legend status, particularly the 328i with the N52 engine. Built from 2006 to 2013, the non-turbo versions are legendary for their longevity and resilience. According to Consumer Reports data and extensive BimmerPost forum documentation, the N52 naturally aspirated inline-six engine is one of BMW's most over-engineered and reliable engines of the modern era. The engine regularly exceeds 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. The key is avoiding turbocharged E90 models and focusing specifically on the N52-powered 328i. This engine eliminates the complexity of turbocharging while providing smooth, reliable power delivery that mechanics universally respect. Master BMW technicians report that N52 engines are virtually bulletproof when maintained properly, with many examples exceeding 250,000 miles on original internal components. The combination of reliability and BMW driving dynamics makes this engine legendary among enthusiasts. Number 2. G01 X3 3rd Generation. The G01 X3 represents BMW's reliability benchmark in the modern era, consistently scoring high in J.D. Power and Consumer Reports reliability studies. Built from 2018 to present, this generation balances size, technology, and dependability perfectly. According to J.D. Power reliability data and Consumer Reports testing, the G01 X3 with the B48 4-cylinder and B58 6-cylinder engines boasts excellent build quality and few owner-reported issues. The X3, xDrive 30i, and M40i models are particularly reliable. The third-generation X3 benefits from BMW's improved manufacturing processes and quality control implemented after their reliability crisis. The result is a vehicle that provides BMW luxury and performance with significantly improved dependability. Independent BMW specialists report that G01 X3 models are showing excellent long-term reliability trends, with fewer problems in the first 75,000 miles than any previous X3 generation. The combination of capability and reliability makes this generation highly recommended. Number 1. F33 Series 340i with B58 engine. The F33 Series 340i with the B58 turbocharged inline-six engine represents the modern BMW reliability king. Built from 2016 to 2019, this specific combination of proven chassis and robust engine creates the most reliable modern BMW available. According to Consumer Reports data and extensive BimmerPost documentation, The B58 engine is widely considered the most reliable modern BMW power plant. The engine's strength, efficiency, and relatively few common problems make it a standout in BMW's lineup. The B58 engine is so respected that Toyota uses a version of it in the Supra, demonstrating its fundamental engineering excellence. The late F30 chassis with the B58 engine eliminates the early production issues that plagued earlier F30 models. Master BMW technicians consistently rank the F3340i with B58 engine as the most reliable modern BMW combination available. The engine regularly exceeds 150,000 miles with routine maintenance while providing excellent performance and fuel economy. BMW engines and models to avoid at all costs. While these 10 models represent BMW reliability at its best, certain engines and generations will bankrupt you with repair bills. The N54 twin-turbo engine suffers from high-pressure fuel pump failures, carbon buildup, and wastegate rattle that cost thousands to repair. The N63 V8 engine is notorious for timing chain failures and oil consumption that destroys engines around 80,000 miles. According to Consumer Reports data and Master BMW technician warnings, avoid the E65 series with the N54 engine, early F10 models with timing chain issues, and any BMW with the problematic N24-cylinder engine that suffers from timing chain stretch. The E65-7 series represents BMW's electronic nightmare era, with iDrive problems and electrical gremlins that cost more to repair than the car's value. The X5 E70 and X6 E71 generations with N63 engines are particularly problematic, combining expensive SUV repair costs with BMW's least reliable engine. Smart buyers avoid these problematic combinations entirely, choosing proven reliability over cutting-edge complexity that leads to financial disaster. These 10 BMW models represent the rare combination of German engineering excellence and proven reliability that separates lasting legends from costly disasters. They prove that BMW can build dependable vehicles when they focus on proven technology over cutting-edge complexity. The most important lesson is that BMW reliability depends heavily on specific engine codes and generation years. The B58 engine stands out as BMW's most reliable modern power plant, while naturally aspirated engines like the N52 provide legendary longevity. Choose from this list and avoid problematic generations entirely.